a company reports the following information. So you see on your screen, there was beginning inventory of 11,000, 13,000 of ending, 7,000 of expenses, 23,000 of purchases, and net sales were 38,000. And you're asked to calculate cost of goods sold. Okay, well, here's how you would do it. Start off with beginning inventory. And then to that, you will add purchases. Move my mouse out of the way so that doesn't interfere with your view. That will give you cost of goods available for sale. Then we have to subtract out the ending inventory. So cost of goods available less ending is how we would compute cost of goods sold. So with that, we can just drop in the numbers now. Beginning inventory was 11,000, and I've already formatted this a little bit, so you'll see the numbers will look correctly formatted as I drop them in. All right, the purchases were 23,000. If we underline that, we can come up with a subtotal for cost of goods available, which would just be the 11,000 plus the 23,000. And here I'm just using Excel and adding cells C13 to cells C14. Okay, you can see the formula down here, or you can see it up here, right? Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. Now I got cost of goods sold available for 34,000. I need to subtract out ending inventory, and in this case, I'm just going to show it as a negative number. You could show it as a positive, and just make sure you do the last calculation correctly. But I'll show it as a negative number. So ending inventory was 13,000. Okay, and then that way I would just add these two together. And that would give me cost of goods sold, which is the number we're looking for. Now, if you wanted to say, oh, it's already telling you it's 13,000, you want to make that a positive number, you could present it that way, but then you've got to make this formula say, take the 34,000 less the 13,000. And both of those would give you the correct answer, which is $21,000.